Moving on to question number 6. I need to find my mean and the standard deviation. Sigma square is my variance. What is my standard deviation? Sigma. So it is the square root of whatever value we get. I need to use the shortcut method. Shortcut enna paathom? Yi, where yi is xi minus a divided by h, where a is the assumed mean and h is the range. And this is your formula for variance, h square divided by n square. N times fi yi square divided by sigma fi yi. Correct? So in that I need not find my mean to find the variance alone, but in that mean kekranga. So you need to find your mean also. So I have the values of xi and fi. In order to find yi, I need to know what my xi value is and yi value is. So if yi and yi is xi minus a divided by h. That is my first column. So to find the mean, that is enough. Sigma yi theriyum, fi yi venum. So I need to multiply fi and yi. What else do I need? Yi square. I need to multiply fi yi square to get this particular term. Fi yi square inge vandrum. What else do I need? Nothing else. Okay. So let me find my yi first. So if assumed mean and it is the middle value of xi. So how many values do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 value irukku. So 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom. So the middle value. So this is my assumed mean. So I'm going to take my a to be 64. So xi minus a divided by h. What is my h? How do the values differ? 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. These are discrete frequencies. Continuous frequency na range edupo. Maximum value minus minimum value. Here you see how they differ. So 60, 61, 62 na 61 minus 60 is 1. 62 minus 61 is 1. So what is your h? 1. So it will be xi minus a divided by h. H is 1. So it will simply be xi minus a. So xi minus a and 60 minus 64 is minus 4. 61 minus 64 minus 3, 62 minus 64 minus 2, minus 1, 0, 65 minus 64, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these are my yi value. So if fi yi and 4 2s are 8, minus 8, minus 3, 12 2s are 24, minus 24, minus 29, 0, 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 20, 4 3s are 12, 5 4s are 20. If I need the sum of this also, let me find my yi square first. 4 4s are 16, 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9, 4 4s are 16. If fi yi square I need to multiply these two. 16 2s are 32, 9 1s are 9, 12 into 4, 48, 29, 0, then 12 into 1, 12, 10 into 4, 40, 4 9s are 36, 6 5s are 30, 3 5 1s are 5, 6 7, 8. So I need this value also for my variance. Okay, now first mean kandupidikalama. So sigma fi yi. I need to find all the sigmas first. So let me calculate sigma fi. 2 plus 1 3, 4 5, 5 plus 9 is 14, 14 plus 5 19, 20 21, 21 plus 4 25, 25 plus 5 30. 3 carry over, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 100. Sigma fi is 100. Super. So decimal place left la rendu place shift panna pogum. Then fi yi is minus 8, minus 3. First negative values, then positive values. So minus 8, minus 3 is minus 11. Minus 11 and minus 24 will be minus 35. Minus 35 and minus 29 will be 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 3 plus 3 6. So minus 64. This is my negative value. Positive value is 12 plus 12 24. 24 plus 40 is 64. So minus 64 plus 64. So fi yi is simply 0. Okay. The negative values add up to minus 64. The positive values add up to plus 64. Okay. So this is minus 64 and this is plus 64. Okay. For yi square, sigma fi yi square venum. So this add pannalama. 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 8 is 19. 19 plus 9 is 28. 29 30 36. 3 carry over. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 10. 12 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 28, 286. So let me find out my mean. So I have x bar a, which is my assumed mean, 64 plus sigma fi yi. What is sigma fi yi? 0. So the whole term will become a 0. 0 divided by anything multiplied by h will be 0. So what is my mean? My mean is 64. Now what is my variance? Sigma square is h square divided by n square. H square and 1 square divided by n square, which is 100 the whole square. We need to find the standard deviation, not the variance. So I'll take the square root. So it will become h divided by n, the square root of this particular term. So h oda value 1, n oda value 100. So I'll have 1 divided by 100 and everything else inside the square root. So n times, which is 100 times fi yi square, which is 286. minus sigma fi the whole square, which will be 0. So what will I have? 1 by 100. This 100 comes out of the square root and it becomes a 10. I have square root of 286. Square root of 286 and this gets cancelled. Square root of 286. 286.00. So 1 ones are 1. 186. 2 are 1 into 2 is 2. Then I have 2 8s are try பண்ணுவோம். So 8 8s are 64. 6 8 2s are 16. வராது. I'll try 26. Okay, this is a trial and error basis. Correct? You guys know how to solve, right? 6 6 are 36. 3 6 2s are 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have 30. So 3000. The 2 zeros come down. 2 0 me 1 வந்துரும். 16 2s are 32. So what will I have? 9 times panna. 9 9s are 81. 8 carry over. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 8 is 26. 2 carry over. 9 3s are 27, 28, 29. Amazing. So I'll have 16.9. So this will be 16.9 divided by 10, which will be 1.69. So this is my standard deviation. Okay. Moving on to question number 7. Now we are dealing with continuous frequency distribution. Correct? So in that we have the range of values. We need to find what your mean and the variance is. Okay. So in this case, this is the formula for the shortcut method. Now number usual formula and variance ke. So I have x bar equals sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. I have the frequencies also. So you have the fi and sigma square will be summation of fi times xi minus x bar the whole square divided by sigma fi. Correct? So this is the formula for variance and the mean when we are not using the shortcut method. So if we have the class interval and we have the fi. So class interval first I need to find what my xi is. After finding my xi, I need my fi xi values. Then I need my xi minus x bar. Then I need to square that. So xi minus x bar the whole square. Then I need to multiply that with fi. So fi times xi minus x bar the whole square. Okay. So first xi value is maximum value plus minimum value divided by 2. So 30 plus 0 divided by 2 is 50. Next 60 plus 30 divided by 2, which is 90 by 2, 45. Then 90 plus 60 and the middle value will be 75. What am I doing? The pattern is 0 plus 15 varudhu. 30 plus 15 is 45. 60 plus 15 is 75. 90 plus 15 will be 105. I'm just grabbing the pattern and writing the other values. Okay. If 120 ki 15 add panna, I'll be left with 135. Adding 15 to this, I have 165. Adding 15 to this, I have 195. These are my xi values. Now fi xi. 15 2s are 30. 45 into 3, 5 3s are 15. 1 4 3s are 12, 13. Then 5 5s are 25. 2 7 5s are 35, 36, 37. 105 into 10 is 1050. Then 5 3s are 15. 1 3 3s are 9. 10 1 3 1s are 3, 4. 5 5s are 25. 2 6 5s are 30, 32. 3 carry over. 5 1s are 5, 6 7 8. 5 2s are 10. 1 9 2s are 18. 19. 1 2 1s are 2, 3, 390. Now I need my fi xi or summation and summation of fi to find the mean. So I need to add all these values. So 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 10 20, 23, 28, 29, 30. Okay. Now fi xi 5, 10, 15, 20, 2 carry over, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 15, 20, 22, 31. 3 carry over, 3, 4, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 8, 19, 20, 21, 22. 2 carry over, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1, 0. Now what is my mean? X bar is fi xi divided by xi. So it will be 3, 2, 1, 0 divided by 30. 0 and the 0 gets cancelled. Does it go in 3? Yes. 3 1s are 3, 0. 3 7s are 21. So x bar is 107. Now xi minus x bar. So 15 minus 107. So 107 minus 15 will be 92. So it's minus 92. 45 minus 107. So 107, 45. So this will be 62. So minus 62. 75 minus 107. So 107, 75, it will be 32. Minus 32. 105 minus 107 is minus 2. 135 minus 107. 135 and 107. So it will be 15 minus 7 is 8, 28. So I have 28 plus 28. Okay. Then 165 minus 107. So 165 minus 107. So this will be 8, 5. 58. 195 minus 107. 195 minus 107. So this will be 88. 88. These are my xi minus x bar value. Now I need to square all these values. I'll erase this. So what is 92 square? 92 into 92. 2 2s are 4, 9 2s are 18, 9 2s are 18, 1, 9 9s are 81, 82. So 4, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. So 8, 4, 6, 4. 62 square. 62 times 62. 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 1 carry over, 36, 37. So I have 3, 8, 4, 4. 3, 8, 4, 4. 32 square is 32 times 32. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. There will be 1, 0, 2, 4. 2 square is 4. Then 28 square. 28 times 28. 8 8s are 64. 6 carry over. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 6, 22. 8 2s are 16. 1 2 2s are 4, 5. So I have 4, 8, 7. So 7, 84. ஒரே roll எழுதுங்க. 784. 58 times 58. 8 8s are 64. 6 carry over. 8 5s are 40. 46. 8 5s are 40. 4 5 5s are 25. 29. So 4, 6, 13, 3. 3, 3, 6, 4. Then 88 times 88. I know the calculations are a bit long, but that is statistics. 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 6 is 70. 8 8s are 64. 6 is 64 plus 6 is 70. So 4, 4, 7, 7. Okay. Now I need to multiply this with fi. Fi would multiply panna 2 times 8, 4, 6, 4. So 4 2s are 8. 6 2s are 12. 1 carry over. 4 2s are 8, 9. 8 2s are 16. Then into 3. So 4 3s are 12. 1 4 3s are 12. 13. 1 8 3s are 24. 25. 2 3 3s are 9, 10, 11. Then 5 4s are 20. 2 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. 1 1 5. Then 40. Then 4 3s are 12. 1 8 3s are 24. 25. 2 7 3s are 21. 22, 23. 5 4s are 20. 2 carry over. 6 5s are 30. 32. 3 5 3s are 15. 16, 17, 18. 1 5 3s are 15. 16. Then 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 7 2s are 14. 1 7 2s are 14. 15. Now let me add these values. 8 plus 2, 10, 11, 12, 12 plus 8 is 20. 2 carry over. 2, 4, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 5, 18, 19, 20, 28. 2 carry over. 2 plus 9, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, 17, 20, 28, 28 plus 4 is 32. 3 carry over. 3 plus 6 is 9, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15, 16, 17, 17 plus 6 is 23. 23 plus 5 is 28. 2 carry over. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 8, 2, 8, 0. So this is my summation of this. Now what is my variance? Sigma square is summation of all this, which is 6, 8, 2, 8, 0. The whole divided by sigma fi, which is 30. So this gets cancelled. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 2 carry over. 3 7s are 21. 1 3 6 are 18. So my variance is 2276. Okay.